going on? Happy Friday to you. All right, so the piece of news that came out maybe an hour or so ago was that China is going to levy tariffs on another $75 billion of U.S. goods. So that took us from up, what about 115, about 115 in the Dow. Now we're down. I think that we're going to be in, this opening is going to be a little bit different in that Powell starts speaking at 9 o'clock Central Time, which is a half an hour after the open. So, the market's definitely looking at him if he can, in the words of Charlie Moon, if he can provide some clarity, which is going to be really tough to do because I'm not sure that they know what they want to do. They're definitely in a wait and see type of thing. We are opening up in just 2 minutes. But that is, we might get a little bit of reaction trade for the first half an hour, but we'll definitely be looking at what Powell is going to do. Other than that, no economic reports. Let me make sure about that. No, new home sales comes out at the same time that Powell's speaking. Something's telling me that they're going to be more interested in what Powell's saying.